What is the reflective learning cycle? Have you ever thought about how you can learn from your own experiences? The reflective learning cycle is a structured way to do just that. It helps you think about what happened, how you felt, and what you can change for next time. This process turns everyday events into lessons that can improve your study habits and overall learning. Let's break down how this cycle works. Two well-known models can guide you: Gibbs' reflective cycle and Kolb's experiential learning cycle. Both are practical tools for students looking to get more out of their study sessions and classroom experiences. Starting with Gibbs' reflective cycle, it has 6 clear steps. First, you describe what happened. Stick to the facts, like what you did, who was involved, and where and when it took place. Avoid interpreting or judging at this stage. Next comes the feelings step. Think about how you felt during the experience. Were you nervous, confident, frustrated, or excited? Acknowledging your emotions helps you understand your reactions better. Then you move to evaluation. Look at what went well and what didn't. Identify the positives and negatives of the situation. This step is about being honest with yourself. After that is the analysis step. Dig deeper into why things happened the way they did. Consider the context, your actions, and the outcomes. Spot patterns or connections between your behavior and the results. The 5th step is conclusion. Based on your analysis, decide what you learned. What could you have done differently? What worked, and what would you change if you faced a similar situation again? Finally, you create an action plan. Decide on specific steps you will take to apply what you have learned. This could mean changing your study routine, trying new techniques, or seeking help in areas where you struggled. Now let's look at Kolb's experiential learning cycle. This model is shorter but follows a similar logic. It has 4 steps. It starts with having a concrete experience, like attending a lecture or taking a test. Next, you move to reflective observation. After the experience, think about what happened. Consider how you felt, what you noticed, and how others reacted. The 3rd step is abstract conceptualization. Use your reflection to form new ideas or theories. Ask yourself what you learned and how it connects to what you already know. The last step is active experimentation. Put your new ideas into practice. Test out different study methods or approaches in your next class or assignment. Both cycles are useful for students who want to improve their learning. After a study session or exam, take a few minutes to go through the steps. Write down what you did, how you felt, what worked, and what didn't. Look for patterns. Maybe you always get distracted after a certain amount of time, or perhaps group study helps you understand tough concepts. Use your reflections to tweak your study habits. If you realize you learn better in the morning, adjust your schedule. If a particular note-taking method didn't help, try a different one. The goal is to turn every experience into a chance to get better. Reflective learning is not just for formal education. It is a practical skill that helps you adapt and grow. By regularly using a reflective cycle, you can spot what is holding you back, celebrate what is working, and make small changes that add up over time. It is about being proactive with your learning, not just going through the motions. The reflective learning cycle is a repeatable process that helps you learn from every study session, exam, or project. It is a straightforward way to turn experience into improvement, one step at a time.